Today I'm going to talk about my final thoughts about the Disney treasure. Boy, the Grand Hall and the atrium is so nice. It's themed to Cinderella, and I like their food and our stateroom is nice. We got an ocean view. Yeah. Then and there's 3 dining locations. There's Arendelle. There's 1923, and there's World of Marvel. Yeah. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I've been to the Star Wars HyperSpace Lounge, and the Temple Twist tastes like a candy. And I tried it, and I tried their Cloud City. It tastes like a smoothie. Oh yeah, I've been to Marceline Market, and their breakfast is good. Then we went to the pool most days, and I almost forgot. I rode the newest water coaster in sea. It's called the Aqua Mouse. Yeah, it's so much fun. If you have kids, just bring them to a Disney cruise. I'm going to take Aubrey to Disneyland in her birthday and my mom's birthday too. Yeah. Oh, I went to their private island, Castaway. Oh my gosh, the water there is so cold. Yeah. Me and my mom and my dad had so much fun. And yeah, that's all we did over the trip. Oh yeah, we went to Nassau. Yeah, we bought my mom her jewelry. Yeah. Oh yeah, I went to my first pirate night event in the cruise ship. There's there's making and Manny's Pirate in the Caribbean show, and there's pirate fireworks. Oh yeah, we got a pirate meal in 1923. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's all we did over the trip last week. Yeah, I've been waiting for a Disney cruise for a while.